Hey, all you cool cats and kittens. Sorry, that's really corny, but I thought it'd be a little more entertaining. Okay, still Janet. For CSEC 111. Um, okay, so I'm gonna try to attempt to explain the J option pane. So hopefully this is helpful. So again, let's start a new, oh wow, that's off to a bad start. Let's start a new Atom. Okay, so like this. So this is again to initiate the comment section. So you put your name, you put your UIN, you put CSEC 111, and your section, so minus 501, and then you put the date. I think you should put the date of when stuff is due. That way you always have like a nice like reference of, hey, this day is it's due this day or whatever, right? And then the title. So in this case, it's going to be wait, oh, tone pane, pane. Oh, option pane explain. Oh, no, I'm just kidding. That's too long. Okay, and then Mac, because I'm using a MacBook. And then you close out your comment section right there. Okay, so again, I'm working from like a little copy and paste situation because I got like 2 minutes to explain all of this. Um, but what I'm showing you is pretty standard. Okay, so class again, pay attention to this right here. You want to make sure that that is the name that you save it under. So option pane explain, sweet little jingle. Okay. And if you put curly brackets, you gotta make sure to close them. So let me just show you guys real quick. So that one closes this one, the inner one, and then this one closes the outer one. Okay, so then go ahead and save. Okay, and option pane .java. There you go. Okay, so now we have that. Okay, so we gotta make sure that we use the import. Oops. Okay, so in class, we discussed it being all the way at the very top. So this is what it looks like. Import javax.swing.j option pane, semicolon. Okay, so that way, like the computer knows this person wants a little pane to pop up. Okay, so now we have that. String output option. Okay. So I'm going to use the example that we did in class, and I'm going to try to explain why we put stuff where, okay? Because I think that's actually what really helps me is why did you put that there? Can we put something else there, you know? Okay, so in this instance, string title, again, make sure you pay attention to how things are lined up. So in this case, like this, before I start showing you anything. Okay. And then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay. So in this instance, we have our string output. So it's whatever input. Output is whatever the computer, it's whatever we tell the computer to put, like, hey, this is an output. So for example, output is something different, right? So our output is here, right? This is our string output. Do you think CSEC is a best major? So I'm going to try to change it up a little bit. Do you like ice cream? I don't really like ice cream. No, not that anybody's asking, but just thought I'd let somebody know. I like popsicles instead. Like the fruit ones. Those were the best. Okay. The string title. So this is what gets put at the very top. Okay. So in this instance, we're just gonna say like this is an option because that's what it was in class. Like it was giving you the option of like whether or not CSEC was the best major. right? So you could have put yes or you could have put no. And the option you're able to change. So to see that, we can put like hello, just to show you guys that you can change that. And then the output, J option pane examples. So this is like what the computer is gonna put out originally. So that's kind of like the same thing as here. Like, do you like ice cream? Right? Just wanted to show you you can change this too. So like I just want to show you that you can change this too. Like it doesn't necessarily have to be like option or what did I have earlier? Like CSEC or whatever, right? Like quotations means you can change it, you can put whatever you want in there because the computer's going to display just that. Okay. And the J option pane, this is showing that it's a message. Null, Professor Lightfoot kind of explained this one. He said it was just to, I guess, eventually we're going to learn how to do like framing. So that's kind of just showing like I want you to put it right in the middle because there is nothing else to guide off of. Um, okay. And then, okay. So maybe like this will help. Like, I don't think this is correct formatting, but I think this will help to like see it. So, right. So this is one pane, one option. This is another, right? But this one is saying show confirmation dialogue. And there's several of them. So you can go on the internet and find like different J option like types, I guess. And this instance is a confirmation. So it's either going to be yes or no. Um, and that is right here. Okay. So J option pane, these are going to be the things that get put at the bottom of like yes, no, or simply okay. And I'm going to show you how that works in a second. And then save that. Okay. So clear. Okay. So once again, to compile Java C option pane dot Java. Okay. Cross your fingers, hope it works, and it didn't. So that's cool. Find symbol. Okay. hmm Wait, and it's okay. So I guess like the cool thing about this is like it tells you where it is. So my error is in line 17. So you can come to line 17. Um, cannot find symbol. Well, that's wonderful, I guess. Okay. I feel like these need to be super quick. So we'll try this. And if it doesn't, then I'm going to just record again. Cool, that one worked. Okay, so once again, sorry, I don't know why I did that fourth time. Okay, so Java option pane. Again, remember when you run the program, it needs to be exactly how you have it written right here. Okay, and then you hit enter, and that puppy's gonna run. It's gonna take a while. My laptop is very old. Okay, so so the J option pane, this is a J option right here. Like this box that pops out is a J option pane. Okay. Um, so string title hello. So here's my title. My title says hello. Okay. Then it's giving me the option. So, do I like ice cream, right? This is my output. The computer is saying it to the user, do you like ice cream? And then you can put yes or no. But since we didn't write anything else down, like that's kind of the end of the code. Nothing's really gonna happen. Like this little screen right here, or this little window is gonna close. So that's it. We've closed that program. Like the program has finished. It went through and it finished, and that's it. So hopefully that is helpful, or at least will show you how to do it yes, no option pane.